Hey, welcome to My Kitchen Recipes. I'm Kevin, and today I'm gonna make some more poppers. But you know, when you have a jalapeno plant, sometimes you don't check them every day, and sometimes the jalapenos, well, they kind of turn red. All right, so before they're red, they're nice and green and plump, and then they get red and hotter on the vine. So today I'm gonna make what I'm gonna call firecracker poppers. That's right. I'm going to make some jalapeno poppers out of these red jalapenos, and then we're going to give them a taste test. See how hot they are. All right, let's go inside. I'll show you how I put them together. We'll bring them back out and get them in the Lexington, Pit Boss Lexington 500. We'll be right back. All right, so I got gloves on for these red ones. So what we want to do is cut them in half, just like regular poppers. Get a spoon. So I like to clean them out anyway. It's easier. Okay. Get the seeds and the membrane out. These are already going to be pretty hot. So yeah, you want to get the seeds and membrane out. I guess depends how brave you are. You can leave them in. Alright, let me get another one cut up here. Try to get it a little more centered than that last one. Get the spoon in there and just scrape out the seeds and the membrane. Okay, I'm going to get the rest of these done. We'll get them filled. Get them wrapped, we'll get them to the pellet grill. Okay, so I thought I was filming. I wasn't. So I had a whole pack of cream cheese. I took about a third of it, and I was telling you that I found this ghost pepper cheese at the store, so I diced it up and mixed it into the cream cheese, and now we're going to start loading up our poppers. I apologize for that, but hey, sometimes it just happens. All right, once again, I got my baking rack. I got the feet on this one, feet up. So when you get it in the grill, you can slide it around however you want, move it around. So let's center you up over here. Let me just bring my jalapenos over here. Okay. We're going to take our cream cheese with ghost pepper cheese, stuff each pepper. You know how to make poppers, right? And if you don't, this is how you do it. Stuff your cream cheese in there. I don't mind going kind of flat with cream cheese because once it starts cooking, it does like to swell up. And yeah, so now we want to wrap it with bacon. I might not need a whole piece of bacon with this, but maybe we will. Just make it extra bacony. Oh yeah, sure. All right, and there you have it. Take your jalapeno, fill it up with cream cheese. I want your cream cheese softened a little bit, or a lot of it, if you can. This is soft enough. I usually try to get it somewhat level. Like I said, it expands, makes a mess. So, all right. Okay. That is a lot of bacon. All right, it's okay. Bacon makes everything better, even these spicy firecracker poppers. I'll get these done. We'll be right back. All right, there you go. 10 firecracker jalapeno poppers. Let's get them out to that pellet grill and get these things going. All right, here we go. I ended up putting a little meat church Texas sweet on there, or Texas sugar, I guess it is. And maybe we'll tame the firecracker a tiny bit, but I doubt it. So let's get these in here. Once again, if you're using these, put the feet side up and you can move it any way you want on that grill. I'm running this at 275, and yeah, should be roughly an hour. We'll be back. All right, we are an hour and 15 minutes in, and look at those. Those look fantastic. See how cheese expands? That's what I was talking about. So let me get these out of here and let them cool off just a minute. A couple of minutes, we'll do a taste test. Oh man, look at those. All right, firecracker poppers, and we'll do a taste test and wrap this up. All right, so the firecracker poppers, what I'm calling them, they're done. Calling them firecracker because they're the red jalapenos after they've been on your plant longer than you should pick them when they're green. They turn red while they're on the plant. They get spicier, and then I mix that ghost pepper cheese in with the cream cheese to really spice these up a little bit. So hey, what's up, brother? Who's that? Brad? Yeah, Brad. Of course I have beer. Oh boy. All right, well, I guess Brad's gonna be joining us. Hey, what's going on, huh? Yeah, where have you been? Down under with Patrick. We've been hanging out down there. Yeah, I got stuck down there and ran out of money, and you didn't answer your phone. Koozie? That's pretty cool, huh? I had those. That's made. Right. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. It has that little clear thing, so you can find out. I got deported, so they sent me back up here for free. Well, hey, so here I am. Yeah, I made some firecracker poppers. You should try one. Poppers. Well, yeah, I'm gonna try one. Yeah, go for it. Firecracker poppers. I haven't tried it yet. So go for it. All right, well, I'm going to try it if you're not going to try it. Oh, boy. Oh, my gosh. All right. Woo! Fire! Oh, what'd you... It's hot? You think it's hot? What did you make those with? That hot, huh? Oh, my God, those are hot. Oh, my gosh. Oh. The beer's not doing it. You got any milk? You want me to get you some milk? Yeah. Okay. All right, thanks. Oh, that's not doing it. Oh, boy. Oh, my gosh. Okay. Firecracker's right. That's atomic bomb. This beer's not even doing it. Okay, I got to go in the house. Sorry, I didn't know Brad was coming, but I guess he thinks it's really hot. I didn't even take a bite yet, but you know. I don't know what Brad's talking about. They're spicy. They're very flavorful. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's hot. Where's your milk at? Oh, how do you eat that stuff? Oh my God. Anyway, sorry for that intrusion by Brad, but you never know when he's going to show up. So anyway, thanks for checking this out. If you have some red jalapenos